Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Twitch on Xbox Series X, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Xbox Series X. Ensure that you are logged into your Xbox account. Navigate to the Microsoft Store from the home screen. In the search bar, type Twitch and press enter. Select the Twitch app from the search results. Click on Get to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Twitch app. You will be prompted to log in to your Twitch account. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. After logging in, you can customize your profile settings if desired. To start streaming, select the stream option on the home screen. Choose the game you want to broadcast from your library. If you want to add a webcam, connect it to your Xbox. Ensure your microphone is also connected for audio commentary. Adjust the stream quality settings according to your preference. When you're ready, click on the Start Streaming button. Interact with your viewers through the chat feature as you stream. To stop streaming, simply return to the Twitch app and select Stop Streaming. You can check your past broadcasts by navigating to your profile. Explore your Twitch dashboard for additional features and settings. Enjoy sharing your gaming experience with the Twitch community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.